When dealing with business contracts, authority isn't always written down. Let's look at the difference between apparent and implied authority. Authority defines who has the legal power to bind a company to an agreement. It is a critical concept in business law and accounting. Implied authority comes from the actual job description, while apparent authority exists because the company made it look like the person was in charge. Apparent authority often carries higher litigation risk because companies are held responsible for the reasonable assumptions made by outside vendors or clients. Implied authority is usually straightforward. If you are hired to manage a store, you have the implied authority to order inventory and pay staff. Apparent authority arises when the company allows a situation where a third party reasonably believes an employee has the power to act. In both cases, the law generally holds the company accountable to protect those who deal with the business in good faith. The best way to manage these risks is through clear internal controls and defined job titles. Check with your legal team for specifics. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify your business basics, subscribe for more educational content, not financial or legal advice.